Have you ever looked at your life and thought, everything feels like it's breaking? Plans changed, dreams delayed, strength stretched thin, and you wondered quietly, why is everything falling apart? But what if it isn't? What if what feels like breaking is actually rebuilding? If you're in a season where life feels unfamiliar, where what once made sense no longer does, where the future feels blurry and the present feels heavy, this message is for you. Not to rush you, not to fix you, but to remind you of something powerful. Some of the most beautiful transformations begin in uncomfortable seasons. Dream Life Diaries exists for moments like this. For women who never planned to start over, but found themselves doing it anyway. For those who gave their best, stayed strong, kept going, and still faced burnout, loss, uncertainty, or unexpected change. This is a space for hearts that are tired but still hopeful. For souls that are healing quietly. For women learning that rebuilding is not weakness, it is wisdom. Here, we don't chase perfection, we walk gently toward wholeness. When life starts changing suddenly, it often feels like failure. But change is not always loss. Sometimes it is redirection. Think about construction. Before something stronger can rise, the old structure must be removed. Walls come down. Dust fills the air. Noise replaces comfort. From the outside, it looks like destruction. But in reality, it's preparation. Your life may feel loud, messy, and uncertain right now. Not because it's ending, but because something new is being built. Burnout doesn't mean you're weak. It often means you were strong for too long without rest. Breakdowns don't mean you failed. They often mean you carried more than you were meant to. Unexpected struggles don't mean God left you. They may be the moments He is reshaping your foundation. Sometimes what breaks us open is what finally allows healing to enter. There are seasons when everything familiar is removed. Old routines, old roles, old versions of yourself, and it feels terrifying. But those seasons are often when clarity is born. Because when everything quiets down, you finally hear what your heart has been whispering for years. Slow down. Heal. Choose differently. Live more gently. Rebuilding is not going backward. It is choosing a stronger future. You may not recognize yourself right now. You may feel softer, more tired, more emotional, but that doesn't mean you're weaker. It often means you're becoming wiser. Struggles have a way of stripping away what no longer serves us. People pleasing, overworking, ignoring our own needs, trying to be everything for everyone. And what's left is the real you, the one who deserves peace. Some rebuilding happens quietly. No announcements, no applause, just small choices. Choosing rest over exhaustion. Choosing boundaries over burnout. Choosing faith over fear. Choosing hope even when answers are unclear. Those choices may feel small, but they are laying a foundation stronger than before. If today feels heavy, remember this. Seeds grow underground before they rise above the soil. Nothing looks like it's happening, but everything is happening. Roots are forming. Strength is building. Life is preparing to bloom. Your rebuilding season is not empty. It is full of unseen progress. You are not being punished by life. You are being prepared. Prepared for healthier love. Prepared for peace. Prepared for a life that doesn't exhaust you. Prepared for joy that feels safe and sustainable. What feels like loss now may be making room for something better than you imagined. If you're in the middle of unexpected change, I want you to hear this clearly. Your story is not falling apart. It is unfolding, and every chapter of rebuilding is shaping a stronger, wiser, gentler version of you. If this message feels like reassurance, you belong here. Subscribe to Dream Life Diaries for calm, honest encouragement for women navigating burnout, life transitions, healing, and rebuilding with faith and intention. Share this video with someone who feels like life is breaking right now, so they know they are not alone. And if you feel comfortable, comment below. What feels like it's changing in your life right now? Your life isn't falling apart. It's being rebuilt with stronger foundations, deeper wisdom, and gentler love. What feels like chaos today may be the beginning of peace tomorrow. Trust the process. Healing is happening. Growth is forming. And something beautiful is being built within you. This is how breakdown becomes breakthrough, and gentle rebuilding creates lasting strength.